When I see that little girl, I
that.
smile.
Oh,
so cute.
Cute, Derry.
Coney Island has a lot more to offer than just hot dogs and roller coasters. You can also prepare yourself to live life under the big top.
I know, wouldn't that be nice? Our Simone Boyce found out firsthand what it's like to be a trapeze artist. She joins us now with the high-flying details. Hi,
it's really fun, but I'm not sure it's for tall people.
Right.
I think I'm at a little bit of a height disadvantage, but still, there are lots of reasons to give Coney Island a second glance between the new food vendors and the breathtaking art walls. Well, now here's a way to take your summer to new heights, and I don't mean just riding the rides. Right across the street from Coney Art Walls, you can train for the circus with Trapeze School New York, and James here is going to show me how it's done.
Yeah.
How does this work?
So we're going to teach you how to jump off the board properly, and then if you get that done well, I'll go up on the other side, and I'll come up the other way. We'll make a catch.
I'm going to do it just like that, so don't worry.
Okay. Ready. Bend your knees. Hop, hop off, little bunny hop.
I can't do it.
Ready. Bend your knees. Hop.
Legs up now, under the bar, hook your knees. Good, hands off. Arch, look back. Good, hands up. And legs down. Nice job. We're nice and up, like go and sit. Way up. Good.
So that was really good.
Thank you.
We're going to give you a few pointers to help you out, make that a little bit better. But we're also going to add a backflip dismount.
Hop, hop off.
Legs behind you. Knees up, hook them on the bar. Hands off. Arch, look back. Hands up. Legs down. Legs behind you. Kick forwards, backwards, forwards. Like go grab your knees. Open. Down.
I did it! I did a backflip! All right, for this last one, James is gonna catch me.
Go!
Hang straight. Legs up, hook them on the bar. Hook them, hook them, hook them. Hands up,
Catch hands,
up.
look
Catch
back.
hands, catch hands.
I didn't think I could do that. Oh my goodness, we're dying laughing at that last part because that was a little bit painful, I'm not gonna lie. It's $50 for a 2-hour class during the week and $60 on the weekend. That's hard to go back and watch that because I do have a little bruise there from the end. But it's my fault because I didn't listen to their instructions. They tell you do not hesitate. And I should have just like gone with it, but whew.
Amazing, fearless.
Yeah, 2 quick questions.
Yes.
Were you sore?
A little bit sore after, yeah. It's the legs and the arms. It's the pulling. You do get
Is this
a
the
workout.
first time you've ever done this?
I did this a long time ago at like Club Med when I was a kid.
They did a great job prepping you because you really
Absolutely.
look like you had
Like
done it
Catwoman.
before. I mean, it was very
Absolutely.
fluid considering.
If you follow their directions, it's much easier. Take my word for it.
Okay.
You're awesome.
Say goodnight, Gracie. Goodbye.